Hi, welcome to the tutorial on how to get Google Classroom on your mobile device. First, I recommend that you have a computer or a laptop to use Google Classroom on. However, if you don't, it is possible to use it on a mobile device, though it is not as easy. So to get that on your device, you will need to go to your Play Store, your App Store. I have an Android, a Motorola phone, so yours might be a little different than mine, and I go to my Google Play Store at that arrow. So I'll click on that. When I get there, I'm going to type in information in the top. I'm going to type in Google Classroom. And it is the first item on the list. So I'll click on that. There it is. And then I'm going to click Install. All right, once I click Install, it will give me the choice to open. There it is in the green. Click Open. I'm going to say Get Started. I have a couple different Gmail accounts, so I'm going to choose the one that I want. Click OK. I'm going to dismiss that message. And there are my Google Classroom classes. And you can see ELLC is the top one. So that is how you get the Google Classroom on your mobile device.